Huawei, being one of the biggest smartphone companies in the world, created a sub-brand last 2013 and has been decently competing in the online market ever since. One of the latest smartphones that has been made available in the Philippines thanks to Shopee is the Honor 9 Lite. Hey guys, this is Kim of Yugatech, and today we'll be taking a look at the Honor 9 Lite. The box itself looks pleasing to the eyes thanks to its light blue color. Opening it will reveal the Honor 9 Lite itself. Next is the free jelly case. Then the micro USB cable. There are no free earphones here, which is quite a bummer. Now if you're wondering, why does this smartphone look familiar? Well, you're right. The Honor 9 Lite really looks like the Huawei Nova 2i in a nutshell. Its aluminum frame covered with 2.5D glass makes it look premium and cool to the eyes. What makes it more appealing is its sapphire blue color, which for me is quite nice. The front is covered with glass panel except for the call speaker. Even its 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel shooters are covered with it. The 5.65-inch display with 18:9 aspect ratio and 2160 by 1080 resolution is more than enough for us to recommend the Honor 9 Lite to users who are fond of watching and or streaming videos. Viewing angles are good, while the color reproduction is decent thanks to its IPS display. The right side contains the usual power button and volume rocker. The buttons are soft and surprisingly have little resistance, so we advise caution when putting the Honor 9 Lite in your pocket. The SIM tray can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards and use a second slot for putting a micro SD card, which is basically a hybrid SIM tray. There are no ports nor sensors on top because all of them can be found at the bottom part of the Honor 9 Lite. The 3.5mm audio port, microphone, micro USB port, and loudspeaker are all crammed in one row. Finally, the back of the Honor 9 Lite houses another 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras, but this time with an LED flash. Just slightly below them is a fingerprint scanner, which is quite responsive and snappy. We took some initial photos and here are the results. The photos from the rear camera are decent and vibrant under good lighting. Details and color accuracy are good, but there are photos where it feels very artificial. Maybe with a software compression, but we'll dive more into that in our full review. Taking selfies with the Honor 9 Lite gives the same results with the rear camera. Make sure that you don't take pictures under low light conditions as it will be very muddy. The Honor 9 Lite is pretty light and feels slim in our hands. If we can describe it in one word, it would be sexy. But wait, there's one thing that we dislike in its overall design. The whole device is a fingerprint and smudge magnet, which is really annoying because we have to clean it frequently. As for its internals, the Honor 9 Lite is powered by a high silicon Kirin 659 processor paired with a Mali T830 MP2 GPU. It runs on Emotion UI 8.0 based on Android 8.0 Oreo. It also has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. Basic navigations and task executions are smooth and responsive. While playing heavy resource games like PUBG Mobile and medium settings are alright, but with some frame drops. The Honor 9 Lite has 3000 mAh battery, which should be decent enough to last for a day. We'll know more about the device in a review which will be up in the coming days. Well, what do you guys think? Does the Honor 9 Lite pique your interest? Not yet? Well, what if we told you that its price is 9,999 pesos, which is 3,000 pesos lower than the Huawei Nova 2i? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that like button if you did like our video, and don't forget to press that bell and subscribe button for more great contents from us. And stay tuned for a full review. And once again, this is Kim of Yugatech, and I'll see you in the next video.